This guided meditation will help you remove any blockages that may be keeping you from receiving what you want. Try to avoid analyzing too much along the way. Just focus on being open and receptive. Get into a position that is comfortable for you. It doesn't matter if you sit or lie down. Just make sure you can relax completely. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the surface you're sitting or lying on, and let your body sink in deeper. Now become aware of your breathing. Try inhaling as slowly as you possibly can, and exhale as slowly as you possibly can. And when you've done that a few times, just let your breathing take care of itself. If there's anywhere in your body or in your mind where you are tense, imagine that you can breathe in a warm, soft light into that area. The light can be just the color you feel you need right now. Then imagine that the warm, soft, colorful light dissolves that tension, so that on your next exhale, you can just let go of it. Inhale the warm light and let go of the tension. I'll now give you a minute to yourself to relax in your own preferred way. Now say to yourself, I now open my heart and accept love. Take a deep breath and see how love flows freely and effortlessly into your heart and into your life. Say to yourself, I now let go of all limitations and let financial abundance in. Take a deep breath and see how all of your financial worries or troubles now evaporate like a puddle of water evaporates on a warm, sunny day. Say to yourself, I now let go of all illness and receive perfect health. Take a deep breath and see yourself perfectly healthy for the rest of your life. Say to yourself, I now open my heart and accept friendship. Take a deep breath and see how warm, close friendships fill your life. Say to yourself, I now open my heart and accept peace and quiet. Take a deep breath and see how everything in your life becomes totally peaceful. Say to yourself, I now open my heart and accept, and think of something you want or want more of. Take a deep breath and see how that flows into your life. I'll give you some time on your own now to open up and receive exactly what you need. Now imagine a door opening. a flower blooming. Imagine turning on a faucet. Imagine shaking a bottle of champagne until the cork flies off. Know that there's enough. Know that there is plenty. Know that there is so much of everything you need. Just let go and let it in. You can repeat this exercise anytime you feel fear or feel lack of something you need. And whenever you want to get in touch with this feeling you have right now, the feeling of openness and receptiveness, just take a deep breath and say to yourself, allow, receive. Allow, receive. It's time to return now, so become aware of your feet, your knees, your hips, your hands, your shoulders, and then take a deep breath in and make a sound as you exhale. Move your fingers and your toes. Open your eyes and stretch your body. Welcome back.